Hello, everyone! Today, I'll show you how to build a readability evaluator from scratch. This tool is designed to evaluate the readability of a provided URL using several readability metrics. It calculates grades based on formulas like Flesch-Kincaid, Dale-Chall, Flesch Reading Ease, ARI, Coleman-Liao, Gunning-Fogg, S-Mog, Spash, and Linseer-Wright, offering you comprehensive readability insights. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. First, we'll set up the URL retriever, which allows you to enter the URL of the text you want to evaluate. Once the URL is provided, this component will automatically retrieve the text content and prepare it for analysis. Next, we'll connect the Readability Evaluator component, which processes the text with each readability formula. This component will assess factors like sentence length, word difficulty, and syllable count, using those to calculate readability scores for each metric. Finally, we'll link it to the output component, so you can receive the readability grades and see how accessible the content is across the different formulas. And that's it! You now have a fully functional readability evaluator. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have questions, feel free to ask.